Hello everybody, today we can see about Mindray ALT. On the top angle we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name Alanine Aminotransferase kit for IFCC method. Here we can see ALT. This is the overall top view of this kit. In the front view you can see the product name Alanine Aminotransferase kit for IFCC method ALT. In the bottom we can see the reference number of this kit ALT 0102. This kit contains two reagent 1 4 into 35 ml, reagent 2 into 18 ml. Here we can see the lot number, then expiry date. This kit contains one instruction manual. This is C certificate IVD product. You should maintain a temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall view of this kit. Now I am going to see the other angles. In this angle we can see the blank space. On the back side top we can see for in vitro diagnostic use only. In the side angle bottom we can see the brand name Mindray, then manufacturing details of this kit. This is overall representation of this kit. Now we go for summary. Today we can see the Mindray Alanine Aminotransferase kit for IFCC method. This reagent contains two reagents. This kit contains two reagents. Reagent 1 4 into 35 ml, reagent 2 2 into 18 ml. Thank you.